Do you guys want cleaner teeth with less effort? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This is the FoSoo Apex electric toothbrush. Just like all my videos, guys, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same electronic toothbrush. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself after the video is done. Inside, you're going to have a battery that is rechargeable. It's a lithium-ion battery. The brushing modes have 4 modes: clean, polish, white, and gum care. You get one brush handle, clean brush head, sensitive brush head, wireless charging base, and a hygienic travel case. It's waterproof rated up to IPX7, quiet with low noise. So without further ado, let's get it out of the box. Let's go ahead and start brushing our teeth. All right, let's go ahead and open this guy on up, see what we got, and I need to take my teeth through the ringer. Alrighty, so I believe this is a nice fancy box here. Take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I believe they also come in different colors as well, so that's actually awesome, good to know as well. That's actually a cool color. Obviously it needs a function, but we want to see the coloring. That's actually really fancy. I'm digging that right there. That's a good looking toothbrush right there. Nice little grip here for your handle. You got your battery indicator lights, your mode button, power on and off button. I do dig the gold. I do dig the gold. That's actually really cool. You got your nice little product packaging. There's something about product packaging, guys. I know a lot of you guys might not like product packaging, but if it comes in a clean product packaging and things are just well done, I appreciate that. So down here we have our mode indicator lights, and that is your mode button, your power button right here. There are 3 speeds with the intensity, and again, 4 modes. It does have memory mode, so when turning on your toothbrush, the next time it will automatically jump to the last used mode, so you don't have to keep fiddle-faddling. I know it's just a few buttons, but that is a cool feature. When the battery is running low, the battery icon will flash slowly on the screen. Wireless charging base, which is really cool. It has 42,000 brush movements per minute in the high frequency vibration. And Quad Pacer, a 2-minute smart timer with interval pausing, gives a reminder to change the brushing location every 30 seconds. That's kind of cool. The battery, once again, is a 2500 milliamp battery and lasts up to 180 days. It is safe to use in the shower or bath because of that waterproof rating IPX7. Very cool charging stand as well, if you like those gold accents. If not, check out their other colors. Wireless charging right here. Obviously that does plug in to your wall adapter, just like your cell phone. I don't think this comes with it. That would have been nice because I know some people have their cell phone wall plug already used, but we do have that cord right there sitting on the dock, meaning wireless charging. You don't have to latch into anything. It just stays right there. Now we also have 2 brush heads. Yep, and that's it. There's nothing on the bottom of it. Here are the different colors here. You have white, you have pink, and you have blue, which is more of kind of a teal green in my book. But again, the link is right below. You guys can see better photos of that if the lighting in here is kind of throwing you off a little bit. So again, they give you 2 different brush heads, clean and sensitive. If you have sensitive gums, teeth, use the sensitive one. I actually do, so I'll be using the sensitive. But if you want a deeper clean, then use the clean brush head, which is gonna have your little bit different of bristles in the center there, as you can see. So let's pop that out and show you how to connect this. We do have a motor cover right there, which lines it up right there. Just slip that right on, as you can see, and that looks great. We will fully charge it before we do give it a go for the first time. What you do is you hit it one time, and you'll see a couple LED indicator lights right there, but that doesn't mean it's on. That just kind of means what mode you're in. You hold it down, and then it will start running on you there. Obviously, you go mode 2, so that's giving you more of a pulse, as you can see there, where the first one was constant. Mode 3, now it's giving you more of a side. Look at that, check that out, that's pretty cool. And then we have gum care right here, flipping around. So you can see it actually says right on there. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm in gum care right now. The previous one was white. You have polish, level 2, and clean, level 1. You have 3 intensities, level 2, level 3, and then back to level 1, and then hold it down, off. Right there. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and fully charge it. Looking forward to getting this underway. Well, folks, I've been enjoying the toothbrush and I'm in the bathroom right now, so sorry, it's a little bit echoey when you are in a restroom. But check this out. I do wanna show you what it looks like with it charged up. Again, just find one of your old cell phone little plugs here. I do wish that it did come with one of these plugs, but most of you guys do have the wall adapter. and then just plug it in your cell phone adapter, take turns with that. You don't have to charge this very much at all. I've been using it for a while, have not even put it back on the charger yet. You could store it on the charger like this after you're done. You know, it's totally up to you if you want to keep the battery always fully charged. I don't know if that's necessarily good for the battery. I don't think it is. You might want to set it next to it, maybe put that in a drawer, bring it back out. Now, it does take a little bit of getting used to. I haven't been using an electric toothbrush in the past, and so it just took me a little bit of time to get used to it. Play around with the different functions right here, clean, polish, white, and gum care, and the different speeds. I kept it on speed number 1 the whole time, and so once again, you hit it one time, whatever speed that lights up, and then you hold it down for a couple seconds, and it will go there. Hold it down again for a couple seconds, it will turn off. So it just took me a little bit of time to get used to. Once again, I have sensitive gums, and so it just took me a little bit of time. I'm so used to just your typical manual brush. My teeth did feel nice and clean after using an electric toothbrush, but if you guys have never used one, it just takes a few days to get used to it. I've been brushing with a manual one for years now, and so you might not be used to the high power. So go ahead and start off on level 1 first, work your way up. Try the different modes, whatever you feel like doing, make that your toothbrush. Overall though, it's a solid toothbrush, does a great job, and not to mention, it looks very nice on the countertop being displayed if you have it out and about like this. Well folks, in the description box below, once again, is gonna be this exact same electric toothbrush. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself, but just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about, but if you have the cash and this electric toothbrush intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out and subscribe. I got a lot more videos, unboxing, and tips and tricks. We'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, those links are below. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.